Okay, we'll do a simple activity first. If you turn to practice now 2, it's on page 206. Alright, I'm going to make use of ASTC. So I'm going to draw out my ASTC first. ASTC. Then I'm going to do question 1. Part A. Okay, take a look first, don't copy. Just see what I'm going to do. Tangent theta is less than 0. What's the meaning of less than 0? Is it positive or negative? Negative. Cosine theta is less than 0. Is it positive or negative? Negative, right? Okay, I write different color. The thing is, you must satisfy both. So I'm going to draw my quadrant now. Tangent theta is negative. But we know in the first quadrant, tangent is positive. In the third quadrant, tangent is also positive. Am I right? So which two quadrant tangent is negative? Second, fourth. Okay, you see, I do color one. I satisfy tangent theta is negative. Now, we go over to cosine. I use blue color now. We know from ASTC, cosine will be positive in the third and the fourth quadrant. But I now, cosine, I want it to be negative. Which quadrant should it lie in? Cannot be first, cannot be fourth. So it must be the second or the third one. Okay, my working is done already. The answer is there. It must fulfill the green one. It must also fulfill the blue one. Which quadrant does it fulfill? So the answer, second quadrant. Finish. So you see, for part C is slightly different. You need to consider option where sine is positive, tangent is negative. So if I take that option now, let me draw out. If sine is positive, which quadrant should it lie in, Jin Hao? Sine is positive. First and second. So I take first and second. But if tangent is negative, which quadrant should it lie in? Second and fourth. So Jin Hao, if I combine both parts, right, which quadrant should be the answer? The second one. So I highlight the second one. All right. The first set of answer is second quadrant. But I can do the reverse way as well. Alright? So now I will show the reverse way. Sine is negative. Tangent is positive. Let me finish up this one. So I'll draw the diagram again. If sine is negative, Xavier, which quadrant will it lie in? Sine is negative. Part C, there, the blue one. Sine negative. The fourth one, that's all. Third and fourth, right? Xavier, try again. What if tangent is positive? Tangent positive, look carefully. Just the third one. The first one, everything also can. So it's the first one and third one. Then Xavier, look at the one that I just take. Which one should it be? If I combine both, which quadrant does it lie in? This is the purple one is which quadrant? Third one. So that is why for part C, you will see 2 answers. Likewise for part D, 2 possible set of answers, alright? Because of different conditions.